accusingly, in a way that shows you think someone did something wrong. He pointed his finger accusingly at his brother. She looked at him accusingly. Affectionately, in a warm, loving, and caring way. She hugged her mom affectionately. Grandpa patted my head affectionately. Bashfully, in a shy or embarrassed way. He answered the question bashfully. She thanked him bashfully. Gleefully, in a very happy, joyful, or excited way. He opened the gift gleefully. They danced gleefully in the rain. Grumpily, in a bad mood, unhappy or irritated way. He spoke grumpily because he was tired. He grumpily answered the question. Helpfully, doing something in a helpful way, to assist someone. She held the door helpfully for everyone. The nurse explained the treatment helpfully. Dreamily, in a way that shows you are thinking about pleasant things, like in a dream. She looked out the window dreamily. He smiled dreamily while thinking of the beach. Expertly, done very well or with skill. He fixed the car expertly. The artist painted the picture expertly. evenly. In a smooth, equal, or balanced way. He spread the butter evenly. They shared the candy evenly. Coolly. In a calm and not excited or worried way. He walked coolly into the room. She handled the situation coolly.
Thank you for watching. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more English lessons. See you in the next video. Happy learning!